The 1976 World Championship Tennis Circuit was one of the two rival professional male tennis circuits of 1976. It was organized by World Championship Tennis, WCT, and consisted of a schedule of 25 tournaments leading up to a singles WCT Finals playoff in Dallas and a doubles playoff in Kansas City in May. A total of 54 players participated, 30 players less than in the previous 3 years, and the group system used in the previous editions was replaced by a single pool. The U.S. Pro Indoor was the only tournament in which all players participated. All other tournaments had a 16-man draw. The season final was played by the 8 best performers and was won by the Swede Björn Borg, who defeated Guillermo Vilas from Argentina in 4 sets. The total prize money for the 1976 WCT circuit was $2,400,000, including a $320,000 Avis Challenge Cup round-robin special event played in Hawaii in January and May.The. The Aetna World Cup between teams of the US and Australia was played in March in Hartford and was won by the US 6-1. The schedule of events on the 1976 WCT circuit, with player progression documented until the quarterfinals stage. * Qualified for the WCT Finals.